Hello everyone, I'm Rashid Yasin and today I'm here to discuss about a new program that KSG is launching very soon. This is Prelims Crash Course for 2024 examination. As we all know that Prelims is approaching and it is one of the first hurdle to be cleared to become a bureaucrat. We have come out with a well-designed and tailor-made course known as PT Crash Course. Clear? This course will be almost of 275 hours in which we'll try to cover all major areas of GS paper 1 and CSAT paper 2 which are asked in preliminary examination. In GS paper 1, as you all know, the topics are like current events of national and international importance, then history of India and Indian national movement, then geography, then polity, then economy, then environment, then science and technology. All these areas to be covered thoroughly in order to solve major questions there in the examination room. Clear? So for all these topics which are part of GS paper 1, we have a well-experienced faculty team who will be dealing with all these areas. For example, I'll be dealing with history of India and Indian national movement. At the same time, we have faculties like Mr. Ashish Vasist, who will take environment and ecology. Then polity would be covered by Mr. Ankit Sharma and Raza sir. Then economy will be taken by Mr. Himanshu. At the same time, science and technology by Mr. Ravi Agrahari, and so on. Clear? So we have a well-defined or well-experienced faculty who understand the nuances of this examination. At the same time, you all may be knowing that CSAT has become a quite dicey paper in examination and it requires enough of conceptual clarity and practice. So we have given importance to CSAT paper in this course as well. This paper would be covered elaborately by two faculty members, Mr. Kapil and Mr. Shakil sir. Clear? So we have meticulously designed this course and this course will have large number of practice tests as well. In fact, there will be daily tests so that you can get accustomed to the trend of questions being asked. Then we'll be having full length tests as well. And one important aspect of this PT Crash Course is we'll be giving due emphasis on current affairs part. Clear? Now coming to my section, I'll be taking history of India and Indian culture. We'll be dealing with all major current developments of Indian culture, covering all the major sites included in World Heritage Site by UNESCO from India, that is tangible and intangible sites. We'll be covering all major latest developments also like Shantiniketan in West Bengal, then temples in the region of Karnataka which have been included by UNESCO in World Heritage Site. We'll be covering all major aspects looking into the trend of the questions which has been asked in the past few years so that you can get questions there and that can be really handy to solve the papers and sail you through in the first hurdle of this examination, that is prelims examination. So I hope to meet you soon in this course. We are starting from 29th of January. In fact, I'll be starting the course with history of India, including ancient and medieval, and then we'll go on with modern Indian history. So 29th of January is the date. So pull up your socks and be ready for this course which covers all major requirements and ingredients to get you through in prelims examination of 2024. So see you then. All the best. Clear? And keep revising, keep reading, keep good care of yourself because you are going to face one of the toughest examination of this country and we are there to help you out in this examination so that you can sail through easily and comfortably. Thank you and take care of yourself.